We got a 2009 SL65, one of the last of the V12s. This thing is absolutely outrageous. Super, super clean. You guys know about the V12 twin turbo monster V12. All right, this thing is sick. They don't make any more V12s. Mercedes kind of discontinued them. There's still some lingering around and maybe some of the Maybachs, but essentially no more V12s. They're all usually V8s, and now they're going to kind of go electric. So last of the Mohicans right here. This thing is a sweet beast, super clean, almost in mint condition. The guy picked it up for around 80 grand. So they're still kind of holding their value because it's the last of the V12s. And we're doing something pretty crazy. Customer just wants this thing to sound like an airplane, a jet turbine motor. So we're getting rid of a couple different things. We get rid of these rear mufflers because these things sound amazing with a muffler delete. And full system for this car is around 10 grand, which is kind of nuts. The customer does not want to spend that. We do what the customer wants, guys. So if he wants more noise, we give him an option. If he wants to delete the muffler, we'll delete it. So getting rid of these mufflers, we're putting the AMG tips back on. We're swapping the H pipe he has on there for an X pipe to upgrade the flow in the mid section. If I can find the H, where is it? This is the H pipe right here. You guys can see. Got some equalization in there, but nothing forced, all right? So you got flow kind of equalizing a little bit. This is a forced equalization box right here. It's kind of hot, kind of burned my finger just now, but looks sick, all right? Now it's upgraded. Now you actually have forced equalization, so this thing should sound a little bit smoother. And then with the muffler delete combined in the back, it should sound mean as hell. So we're gonna drop it after we chop off this muffler and then crank it. You let us know what you guys think. Does this sound like an airplane or not? So the SL65 is done. As you guys can see, we got a little lineup of AM Jizzles. We got GTC behind you. We got AMG GTR convertible, one of 799 convertibles, which is pretty sick. Another rare V12 AMG SL65. And then next to that, you have a S65 Coupe. Again, soft top convertible. This is the one we're talking about right now. We just did the muffler delete X pipe. Sounds insane. Sounds like a turbine engine in that thing. And we're gonna make this SL60 or this S65 sound just about the same. So, like I said, lineup of Benzes, which is pretty sick. How often do you get to see stuff like this? You know, 2 V12s, 2 GTs, GTR, GTC. It's pretty pimp, guys. I mean, like I said, you know, it's pretty cool when you get to work on stuff like this all day. I'm gonna rev this SL. You guys tell me what you think. Does it sound like an airplane or not? So stay tuned. This thing's pretty much on its way out. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah. So almost took the keys with them, but we got them. So like I said, that's a V12 muffler delete X pipe upgrade, all 3-inch exhaust. Later on, he might come down from some high flow catted downpipes. Should tune this thing, make it a lot more aggressive, and then make another 100 horsepower, which is pretty sick, especially out of a V12. You guys can imagine that sound right there with just an amplified tone. It's gonna sound like an airplane, like a complete turbine setup. So stay tuned for the next video. We might actually include it in this one, but GTR and S65, some sweet stuff coming soon. So just waiting for our lifts to open up, and then as soon as they open up, we're slapping some Benzes on the lift. So stay tuned, guys. We out.